Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good. How are you today?
Good, sir.
Okay, good. I hope you always good. Yeah, so today we are going to learn about how to asking permission. But before we start our lesson, shall we ask you what you do when you want to go to the toilet or forgetting something like pencil, book, or eraser? What will you do?
Asking permission.
Okay, how to ask permission? Okay, if we want to ask permission, we can say can I, or may I, or do I. For example, like if you want to go to the toilet, you can say, sir, can I go or may I go to the toilet? That is how to we can say to asking permission. Okay, good. Now today we are focused on listening skill, and I will play the audio that you will just listen first, and I want to ask you about what will you hear, what you hear. Okay, listen, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Oh no, I forgot my eraser. Vito, can I borrow your eraser, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. May I go to the washroom to wash my hands? Yes, you may. Please be quick. Thank you, ma'am. It's my pleasure.
Rami, can I borrow your pencil for a while?
I'm sorry, I need it now. See you later.
Okay, no problem.
Class, today we have learned how to ask permission.
Okay, that is the example of asking permission. Okay, I want to ask you what you do. So the first question is, what does Rani forget in the beginning of the dialogue? Okay, good. What is that? Eraser. Okay. So, I guess you already to understand. So that is we learn about listening. So yeah, I'm going to give you the student worksheet that you have to do. And what do you do is listen again the dialogue, and you will listen and choose the correct answer. So I have 3 questions that you will look at this, the questions, listen and answer the option. What's the best answer to this question? Okay, I wanna play again. Okay, just
Asking permission.
Oh no, I forgot my eraser. Vito, can I borrow your eraser, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. May I go to the washroom to wash my hands? Yes, you may. Please be quick. Thank you, ma'am. It's my pleasure.
Rami, can I borrow your pencil for a while?
I'm sorry, I need it now. Will you later?
Okay, now you are going to answer this question. Okay, the first question is, what did Rani forget? A, her book. B, her eraser. C, her pencil. What the best answer?
B.
Okay, good. Ready? Okay. Okay, the next is question number 2. Who asked to go to the bathroom?
Sita.
Okay, Sita, good. Sita asking to ma'am to go to the washroom. Okay, the last is what was the teacher said the teacher would reply to Sita?
Yes, you may.
Okay, good. Give applause, please. Okay, good. Now we are next in part B. The same thing that you will listen and you will fill the blank with what you hear. So what do you do is just listen. And this is the answer, and I put in the box, and you will answer and complete this. And you is good. For example, you will listen and this is the best answer to complete this one. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You understand what I say?
Understand, sir.
Okay, good. I'm going to play a game also to make you deal with this student work here. Listen, please.
Asking permission.
Oh no, I forgot my eraser. Vito, can I borrow your eraser, please?
Here, here you are.
Thank you.